Today I will show you how to send money through Remitly to Ghana, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways you can send money through Remitly. You can either do it on the web or you can send it via your mobile phone. You can go to your store, the app store, to go download Remitly app. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to do it on the desktop. Now, if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to get started with Remitly, please do well to check out the link in the description below. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for Remitly through the link in the description below. And once we are done signing up, we should get to this dashboard. Now, if you'd like to change the country you're sending from, all you need to do is click on this arrow next to the welcome button. And you go to settings. Now in the settings, you're going to go down and you're going to change the country you're sending from, and it's going to change the currency. But since we're in the States, we're going to send from the USA. Now at this stage, you're going to input the amount you want to send to Ghana, and once you input it, it's going to show the amount the receiver is going to receive. Now there's a flat fee and there's a discount for it, and I've been charged a flat fee. Now let's click on continue. Now on this page, you're gonna have to put in how you'd want the receiver to receive the money. So it's either through mobile money, through bank deposits, through cash pickup, or debit card deposits. Now let's choose, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna choose mobile money. There are three main telcos in Ghana, and you're going to have to choose one of them to send the money to. Now you're going to input the person's name that you want to send the money to. Continue. You're going to input the number that you want to send the money to and click on continue. Now it's going to ask if you want the recipient to receive transfer updates. You can either choose yes or no. I'm going to click no, thanks. Now here, it's going to require your details. And once you're done inputting that, you're going to click on continue. It's going to ask you to confirm, and it's going to ask for your address. Now after the address, it's going to ask for your phone number, and after you input the phone number, it's going to go ahead and proceed, show you a summary of your transaction, and then send the money to your it's going to ask for how you want to send the money, and you're going to input your bank details, and it's going to proceed and then send the money to the recipient. Now that's how to send money through Remitly to Ghana. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.